I never make predictions wrong about how long something's going to last.
We don't know. We're not Nostradamus or whatever.
Wave hi, Rob. Hi, Dan.
Hey, and come to Minnesota and I'll help you get a house too.
It's a good commercial.
There you go. Hi, we're with Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe.
Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe.
How was your day?
This is where the bathroom's gonna go.
No down trees.
Oh, never mind.
Been there, done that. Well, he's just inspecting. He's
Oh,
not
okay.
using.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got the whole house.